We're gonna turn our car from this into this. Extensive damage here. Bumper, fender, headlight, door, mirror, quarter panel. We're gonna fix this guy. Alrighty, we got our doors here. I hope they're in good condition. Ooh. Let's see what happens. So, we got our doors here. There's the rear door, and here's the front door. There's a bit of damage here, but it's certainly a lot better than what we have on the car, so I guess we'll have to work with that. Another piece to our puzzle has arrived, and you guess what this is? Dun, 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 dun. It's the headlight! Alright, let's see. Wow. Is this the right side? I believe we have the wrong side headlight. Yes, it's the correct side. Oh, it's actually in really good condition. Dropping off the headlight. Package from Mazda for the washer part. Install it. Bumper. Off we go. Off we go to the body shop. Hello. Thank you. Junior! How are you? Got the part. And I got your juice. Smile, man! Car's coming along. There goes the car. There we go. Painting. Alright. So we're doing the body shop. Car's getting painted. It's coming along nicely. And we'll check up on it later on today or tomorrow, and hopefully it'll be ready by then. Alright, so the car is repaired. We just need to order a couple more pieces. The car came out pretty good.